Look at the way we live today. We have more comfort than any generation in history. We have soft beds, climate-controlled rooms, and endless food. Yet, look around you. Why does everyone look so tired? Why do we feel a constant, low-level hum of anxiety vibrating in our chests? We are exhausted not because we are doing too much physical work, but because we have lost the rhythm of life. We treat our bodies like machines. We pour caffeine in to wake them up and pills in to put them to sleep. We have forgotten how to just be healthy. The ancient Japanese culture, specifically the Zen traditions and the daily life of the samurai, understood something that we have forgotten. They understood that true health is what they called genki, or source energy, that actually does not come from a pill or a gym membership that you take. It comes from the tiny, almost invisible moments of your day. If you are feeling burnt out, heavy, or lost, you do not need to overhaul your entire life. You do not need to move to a mountain. You simply need to reintroduce the sacred into the ordinary. Here are 10 tiny Japanese habits that, when practiced together, create a life of calmness, health, and true radiance. Habit number 1. Ritsuyo, the sacred pause of rising. It begins the moment you open your eyes. What is the first thing you do? For most of us, we reach for our phone. We struggle our brains with emails, bad news, and other people's lives before we have even lived our own. This puts your nervous system into a state of fight or flight instantly. The first habit is Ritsuyu. In the strictest sense, it refers to the posture of standing, but philosophically, it is about the correct way to rise. When you wake up, do not move immediately. Do not touch your phone. Sit up in your bed, cross your legs if you can, or simply place your feet on the floor. Close your eyes for just 60 seconds. Feel the transition from the dream world to the waking world. Set an intention. Tell yourself, I am here. I am alive. This day is mine to shape. By taking control of these first few seconds, you reclaim authority over the remaining 24 hours. You are telling your brain that you are the master, not the slave of your notifications. Habit number 2. Kanpu Masatsu, dry towel, renewal. Once you are out of bed, your body is likely still sluggish. The lymphatic system, which cleans your blood, is stagnant. Modern marketing tells you to buy expensive creams and supplements to look radiant. But the Japanese method is free, and it is called Kanpu Masatsu. Before you shower, take a dry, rough towel. Start rubbing your skin. Start at the feet and work your way up to the heart. Scrub your arms, your back, your legs. It might feel uncomfortable at first, perhaps even a little abrasive, but this friction does something magical. It brings the blood rushing to the surface of your skin. It wakes up your immune system. In ancient times, this was done to strengthen the body against the cold winter wind. Today, it is a way to physically manifest energy. You will feel a warmth spreading through your limbs. It is a signal to your biology that it is time to perform. You will look in the mirror and see a natural self with true radiance that no makeup can mimic or copy. Habit number 3. Suji, cleaning, as meditation. Now look at your environment. A messy room equals a messy mind. There is a direct link between the clutter on your desk and the anxiety in your brain. This brings us to the third habit, Suji. In the West, we view cleaning as a chore, something annoying that we have to do. In Japan, cleaning is a form of spiritual training. In Zen monasteries, the monks do not hire janitors, they clean the floors themselves. Not just to remove dirt, but to polish their own spirits. You don't need to deep clean your whole house. Just dedicate 5 minutes every morning to morning cleaning. Open the windows to let the stale air out. This is actually called kinki, exchanging the energy. Fold your blanket perfectly, wipe your desk. As you align the objects in your room, you will feel your thoughts aligning as well. When your outer world is in order, your inner world can finally relax. Habit number 4. Itadakimasu, the soul of food. We rush through our lives, and sadly, we rush through our food. We eat while driving, while working, or while watching TV. We consume calories, but we do not receive nourishment. This is why we feel empty even when we are full. The fourth habit is the phrase itadakimasu. You may know this as bon appetit or thanks for the food, but the translation is actually much deeper meaning. It actually means I humbly receive life. Before you take your first bite, look at your food. Acknowledge that plants grew, sunlight was captured, and people worked to bring this energy to your plate. Bring your hands together in gaso. Pause. This tiny moment of gratitude shifts your body from a stressed state to a relaxed state, which actually helps you digest your food better. When you eat with respect, you stop overeating because you are satisfied by the quality of the moment, not just the quantity of the food. Habit number 5, chew 100 times. Hara, hachi. Following closely on gratitude is the physical act of eating. Your list mentions chewing 100 times. While 100 might seem like a lot, the lesson here is mindfulness. There is a Japanese saying, Hara hachi bu. Eat until you are 8 parts full. How do you know when you are 80% full? Only by eating slowly. If you chew your food until it is liquid, you make it easy for your stomach. You extract more nutrients from that food. But more importantly, chewing is a rhythmic act. It calms the brain actually, giving full taste and a sense of satisfaction. In a world that demands instant gratification, chewing is a practice of patience. By slowing down your meal, you skip the dessert, you skip the bloating, and you skip the afternoon crash. You remain light, sharp, and dangerous, ready for whatever the world throws at you. Habit number 6, Kinhin, moving meditation. The afternoon arrives, and with it, the stress. The shoulders get tight, the breathing gets shallow. Most people try to power through with more coffee. The Japanese habit you need here is kinhin, or moving meditation. We often think meditation means sitting like a stone statue. But humans are built to move. If you feel anxious, go for a walk. But do not just walk to get somewhere. Walk to be. Sync your breath with your steps. Inhale for 3 steps. Exhale for 3 steps. Feel your feet touching the ground, whether you are in shoes or, as your list suggests, barefoot at home. Being barefoot connects you to the texture of reality. It pulls you out of your head and down into the earth. 5 minutes of this conscious walking is more restorative than an hour of sleep. Habit number 7, Shinrin Yoku, forest bathing. If you can do your moving meditation outside, you unlock the 7th habit, Shinrin Yoku, or forest bathing. We are biological creatures living in concrete boxes. We are starved for nature. Scientists in Japan discovered that trees release invisible oils called phytoncides. When we breathe these in,